Hello everyone. The most popular function in Excel is sum. And to use the sum function, all you need to do is ensure your data is properly laid out, and then you put your cursor in the cell where you want the total figure to appear. So assuming we're working with the quantity column, I'll put my cursor in cell C16. And then the first way to do it is to simply start with the equal to sign and then type in sum. Once you do that, you can select the sum function from the list of items that come up and double click to select. The next thing you want to do is to highlight the range of cells that you want to add up, and then you close your parentheses and simply press the enter key, and that gets us the total quantities. The next way to do it, and now we're going to try this out with the sales column. So I'm going to put my cursor in cell D16, and this time around I'll go into the Home tab, and then under the editing group there's a button there for Autosum. So you can use this button to do a quick sum of the sales data, or you simply use the shortcut Alt equals to, which is also showing on my screen right now. So once I click on the Autosum button, that highlights the sales figures for the entire period, and then I can review the reference here to ensure it's selecting the right data. And once I'm sure about that, I'll press the enter key, and that also gets us the total sales for the year. And that's how you use the auto sum and sum function in Excel. Have fun using those functions. Thank you.